Evening, I'm Classics and Sportscars vlog channel. I'm here at Bearsted at a pub just off Ware Street, and they've got their first car meet here of the evening. This is Thursday the 9th of April 2026. There's not a lot here at the moment. I'm hoping a few more people will turn up. I'm just going to have a wander around.
That's good, yeah. Yeah, they do that stuff.
Nice VSC tech. Nice wheels to them as well. F-Reg Audi Quattro, red, rosy red. Looks Hot Wheels, so do I. That's an Escort on an E-Reg.
Do you do the classic car ones? Do you do the vehicle ones?
JBA sports car in yellow. A bit windy now, isn't it? Wood dash, wood steering wheel.
Yeah.
Losing myself now. Good Studebaker. Yeah, really good. Yeah. Can't really, it's difficult to see in, but I mean, they've got separate seats in them. One long bench seat at the back. Plenty of room. I mean, inside there really is plenty of room for a big car, big American car. They are.
But yeah, but it's like the first one, so we're doing it every month. Yeah, every month. Does this clash with any others?
It doesn't. First Thursday of the month. This one obviously is at this second.
Mercedes behind me got a MG BGT, an L-Reg, M-Reg Corrado.
Have you ever done
There's Mercedes with blue interior. I'm not sure with its leather or not, that's a problem. It doesn't really look it, but I mean, some might say different. It's white Mercedes 350 SL with blue interior. Turned up. Got biker here as well. Got cream interior with a wood dash. Rover just turned up. That's bikers. Right.
go around Sandringham and then she
All chrome. It's a 61 though, believe it or not. A 61 bike on the registration. Hamper box in the back. It's Austin 7 with a return handle to get it going. .5 litre Rover. Oh, yeah. Got another. No, it was quite, but it's something else. .5 litre. They have big headrests in the back, they really do. And leather interior. It's real old, you know, so it's all cracked. It's a Triumph. It's a Nissan. You know, it's got twin cam, 16 valve, intercooled turbo. With black leather interior. And that's the owner of the pub here. That's his camper van, Volkswagen. That's a H-Reg. Got another one that's turned up on a K-Reg. Got James Bond the aerial. Not exactly packed out here at the moment. I think a few people just turning up in what we call dribs and drabs at the moment in time. Someone else has turned up in a Rover. Another one. Two now. Go.
Yeah, and it comes back.
So Toyota newish, but another 3.5 litre Rover, both coupes. The one looked like it's in like a green, kind of this is in blue. December 70, crud. No, man. I was born really. I was 72, so that's on it. That's a few years before I was born, December 70. Hello, your lights are on. Yeah. Oh, look at that. American thing. Real American. Two more turned on. Where's it go? There it is over there, hiding. That's full, that is. Look at that. $1930s. It is.
Oh, on the slope, yeah.
Heck of a noise. Those wheels. Well, tyres. Well.
Pain in your arse. Never mind. Is there one like a different picture? Yeah, right back on the front street.
We saw it on Facebook. So it's good. And then I showed it on my Facebook tag.
That's a 300 SL, that is. Yeah. Cloth interior and no really wood at all. A little bit of wood, but not much. Nice alloy wheels to them. Sea Ridge. Also, to apologise for the wind noise if you can hear that. It is a little bit breezy here this evening. To where I'm in Canton Bearsted, which village. This is the bell, the butcher's block, the bell. It's up there. Rail line going round past. Freight truck. That bike is saying that really is that bike. It really is something. That is. A snake on it in design. Excuse me. Sleety crisp. This bit getting a bit gusty here tonight, but I'll just turn up another car. A huge American thing. American plate on parcel shelf. Bench seats in them. Left-hand drive. New engine block in it.
So this is in between, intense purposes.
Yeah.
So just to try.
Oh yeah, just that'd go well with the car. Hoping a few more people are going to turn up. So this is their first car meet here of this tonight. So I'm a drink.
They look like they've got a rooftop, don't they? Yeah.
They've got a little kitchen inside as well. Cool. Oh, fairy lights. How's fairy lights? I can't get over that bike, or the way it is. It is something, that really is it's something for bikers. Oh. Got green competition BMW arrived. Mega money there. Very new, that is. Got a private plate on it. Oh, it's up there. Wonder why it turned off. Lost myself. Nice blue Mercedes. Oh, right up against the fencing, so it's difficult to see from the back. Do apologise.
Yeah, I mean, I've got the stupid old American thing.
I was opening the engine up. Don't know what it is. There's nothing on the back.
Done that all underneath.
Big engine, look at that.
Have you done that all yourself? Yeah.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Not that close.
Oh, I said you do it.
No, that's
All
that.
out.
No, that's
Taking
that.
it all out.
What? Not engine out.
Yeah.
Really? Rebuilt the engine up, painted all the food.
Really? Done all that, done underneath.
This is Nissan. Blue Honda there. Ah,
It always used to
that's the engine. Well, I've wandered around.
this line of the depot. And he'd come in almost with a shopping trolley.
Look at that.
It's only me, don't
Suspension.
worry about it. And off we go, like it's Tesco's, filling his trolley up.
Suspension.
You know, I didn't realise how low it was.
Yeah.
Oh, bonnet for that. Wheels.
We went past a lorry.
Little wheels.
When your head's down here.
It's all very compact and a little bit for
That's terrifying.
Leyland, because it has a Leyland badge on it. Yeah. And British Leyland made it all those years ago, so it's something in our age. So it's quite something, that is.
500, yeah. Yeah, a Valencia balloon apparently. At one point it was painted red, as in someone hand painted it. He contacted
It's got
me,
cream interior to it.
and he
Wood
said, "Oh, I
dash.
own that car."
The R6. Still need a few more people turning up. Stand in the road, get run over. Two more people have now turned up, one in a Porsche, one in a lovely Karen, black. White rich Porsche. Need a good few more people to turn up, really. That's a 944 Porsche. Any problems? Parking. It's McLaren. Money there.
Doesn't help
Evening.
park, though, does it? Still can't park at all.
Ah. Wow. Mega money some there. McLaren. Yeah. Those mirrors as well. Got red calipers on those. The BMW over yonder's got blue calipers on it, and that's grey. I don't want to put on his car and damage it. It's a 944 Porsche. Making money there.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah. Oh. Houses all behind here, actually, all on just off the road on housing estate. So. Oh. Oh, he's just opened his engine. I mean, it's just a Z-Tech, really. This is registration, but just a Z-Tech. Nothing flashy, really, about it. Just the old Soul Fiesta. Hopefully they've had that thing lowered a little bit. But the Audi's been well preserved and and looked after. Considering its age on an average.